Have you ever been driving down the road in your Jeep Wrangler and cruise control buttons are lazy? Like you hit the accelerate button and it doesn't accelerate right away? Or maybe you got the vent control on vent or air conditioning, but it's not blowing out of the vents, it's blowing out of the defroster or down on the floor. You probably have a vacuum leak, just like I did. So you get underneath the hood or on the driver's side, there's a vacuum harness, runs off the intake manifold. Coming off the manifold, there's a rubber boot, and then a check valve, and then a T. The T runs, one line runs over the cruise control if you have it. The other one runs along the back of the engine compartment over to the passenger side. That one goes to the cruise control. This one runs over to another T that runs into the cab, and then one line runs down to the reservoir, vacuum reservoir. Underneath the air conditioner stuff here, coming out of the firewall, that's where the T and another check valve are. You can't see it, but trust me, it's there. And after that T, it runs down to the reservoir underneath. It's easier to get to the reservoir from underneath the Jeep. Check it down there. Right behind the passenger front wheel, there's it's kind of underneath your battery. You can see that rubber hose there. Pull it off. Sure enough, mine is cracked. So I'll just pull the rubber boot off the hard line. Show it to you here. Mine's all cracked, and that's where it was leaking. So I'm just going to buy a whole new harness, because they don't sell just the boot individually. Here's the harness I bought from Morris 4x4 Center. It's got the boot, the check valve, the T, the other T where it goes into the cab, and the boot for the reservoir tank. I'm just going to pull that boot off, and I've put it on the line already. You just pull them off, push them on. It's real easy. And I'm going to plug it back into the reservoir tank, and this job will be done. No tools, easy stuff. Don't be scared. Jeep on.